for the number 7. In a few seconds, Pilou will enter the tunnel. He did it! Bravo Pilou!
Bravo!
Let's have a little calm moment during this Diamond 6 aircraft turning to the right. They will leave the place to the solo who will come back in a few seconds. From your right to perform in front of you the ticking clock. Ticking clock from your right. It's like a clock. The leader with the red smoke is a little spin. The second solo, like the big one. On the right, the solo.